Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the Otterbox bumper for the Apple Watch SE 44mm. So, I gotta tell you, as expected, this is probably the most overpriced item I have ever paid for. Basically, it's a plastic bumper that's going to go around your Apple Watch. And the only reason there's nothing wrong with it, but $25 is what Otterbox wanted for this on their website and on Amazon. I guess some of you out there might be thinking, well, it's worth every penny because it protects your Apple Watch. But I'm going to show you, this is a different brand I bought off of Amazon. I bought the Otterbox thinking, oh, maybe it would be better quality. This was $25. These three total were $6 for all three of them. And the nice thing with these is they have a built-in glass screen protector. So not only does the bumper protect your watch, but it's also got a glass to protect your crystal, which the Otterbox does not have. There is no glass on there. And I was just going to show you from a quality standpoint, they're about the same. I will say this, the Otterbox does seem like it sits up a little bit higher, so it is going to protect the sides, whereas this one sits lower, but that's understandable because of the fact that they've got glass that will protect your glass. The Otterbox sits up higher because you don't have a screen protector, so the bumper will protect your glass from getting scratched a little bit. The Otterbox is a little bit nicer as far as the button. Until it's got this basically rubber button press, whereas your button is exposed on these. And then the other side for your microphone. The sensor seems to be open. About the same on both of them. So not bad, but again, whether or not it was $25, it probably takes them cost them about 12 cents to make this, and then they sell it for $25. So anyway, nonetheless, that is an unboxing. If you purchase the Otterbox bumper, that's what it's going to look like. As always, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.